I finally pulled the trigger and got myself a pair of Ray-Ban Meta AI glasses. The recent 20% sale they had on got me, and I now own a pair. I'm super excited to have these glasses. Let's take a trip to the mall and see what my experience was picking these glasses up. Before we get to the mall, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more content I will be posting with these glasses. Also, make sure to watch till the end of this video to see my first impressions. Okay, so here we are opening up the box for the first time. Listen, call, live stream. This is so exciting. Look at this case. The case feels super premium. Also, did you see how I unboxed this? Look how everything came apart so nicely. Package is super cool. Here we have a get started manual. Just pulled it out of the box. We are gonna look through this, as this will be what will help set up our Meta glasses. Now it's time to take these glasses out of the case. I waited about 2 weeks for these glasses to be made because they do have transition generation S prescription lenses inside of them, so it took about 14 days to come in. Let's take these sleeves off and look at the glasses. Jeez, you can see that looks so premium, so elegant. The build quality right off the bat feels super sturdy. Time to take off my old glasses and switch them up. Here we go. Wow, these are fire. The prescription is clear.
Is
The new
it?
prescription is clear.
It's good?
How do I look?
You look good.
Just picked up the Ray-Ban Metas, matte black. They're actually pretty nice. The fit is comfortable. We're here at LensCrafters, just making sure everything's nice and right. So we got a nice case that comes with here. Side profile. Some more things that come in the box. We have a safety and warranty manual here. Also in the box we have a cleaning cloth. This will keep your lenses nice and clean. We're gonna connect these to the phone and we're gonna see what's going on. See the light on? Do you see the light? I'm recording you right now. So, point of view, the light's sketchy? How the light's sketchy? Is that that's your reaction?
You're sketchy.
Is the light sketchy? Oh, that's the light right there, eh? Okay. We're gonna have to see if we keep this light going. Yeah, I think so. I think it's all connected now. Yeah, so it's running me through a little thing. Yeah.
You do.
We just put them to the UV light. Just put them to the UV light. Outside they will be darker than this, but this is what we're looking like right now, and we're gonna see how quickly they transfer back. Let's put a timer on. Hey Siri, start a timer. They're already starting to clear out real fast. It's only been 30 seconds. 30 seconds and they're starting to clear out.
They're not fully transitioned yet.
They're not fully transitioned yet. They still got a tint. So these are the transition generation S lenses. They came out last year and they are coming right back from that UV tint. Now it's been about 1 minute and 10 seconds and these are getting super clear already. There's still a tint to them, but they're transitioning very fast and they got pretty dark under the UV light. They will get darker outdoors, I was told, so we're gonna keep on testing this out. Just picked them up and I am digging them. It's a vibe. Under 1 minute 45, they're completely clear. I'm rocking the Eisen 2 lenses, and these lenses do not have the Ray-Ban logo on them. I chose not to get them, but they are digitally surfaced, have a great coating on them, and to be honest, I like the minimal look more than having the little laser etched Ray-Ban. Let me know what you think. So these are how dark the glasses got after sitting outside for 1.5 minutes or so. I had the last 30 seconds trying to look directly at the sun. I'm trying to get these as dark as they can go. Looking pretty good. So we're gonna do a time test with the Gen S transition lenses. I'm about to go out into the sun. I'm gonna put a timer on and see how long it takes for them to get as dark as possible. Let's go. Two minutes in and it seems to be at max darkness. It hit max darkness around 1 minute and 30 seconds. I'm calling it that because they're not getting much darker at the moment. So they say the transition Gen S lens has 50% less squinting than the previous generation. They say it gets slightly darker, but the squinting is less. And I can tell you, I can look up at the sun and not really squint. Very nice. Yes! reverse. Come on, Hugo. Come on, Hugo. Over here, Hugo. Can you turn? Can you turn? Turn. Just straight. The trap out of my ears. I'm just testing it out. Control 6. Yep. Control and drive. Hi, Hugo. Chin ups. 7. Big squeeze up. Yeah, feel that stretch. 4. Perfect. 5. Yup. We're gonna jump up, grab the top of the wall, peek over, look at the number on the left. As you can see, that was a super fun and exciting pickup experience. Make sure to subscribe to this channel as I will be testing out these Generation S transition lenses more. Also, I'll be playing around with shooting content on the Meta AI glasses, so you don't want to miss out on that. I'll also fill you in with any tips and tricks I learned along the way. So drop a comment. Do you have the Meta Ray-Ban glasses? Are you planning to get them? I know the Oakley ones have been announced. What are your thoughts? Drop some comments, let's talk about it, and I'll see you in the next video.